Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that, according to the latest reports, a heavy airstrike has again been carried out by the Ethiopian Air Force on central capital Mekelle. As reports of victories are being received from Tigray Defense Force, from Amhara and Afar region, and Tigray Defense Force has gained control over many important places and has made thousands of Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers a war prisoner. And the Ethiopian National Defense Force in the Amhara region has faced defeat on every front. So now Ethiopian Air Force is being carried out heavy air strike by Ethiopian Air Force on the capital of Tigray region Mekelle in order to prevent Tigray Defense Force from moving forward in Amhara and Afar region. And according to reports, heavy air strikes have been done by the Ethiopian Air Force around 10:30 am for the second time during this week. Many videos are also being shared about this. Reports have been received that this airstrike has targeted civilians and private property, and reports of heavy casualties and financial losses are being received. Viewers, about two-day airstrike on capital Mekelle, Tigray government spokesman Getachew Reda said that Abiy Ahmed's Air Force has once again targeted a residential quarters in Mekelle, causing injury to civilians and harm to property. Abiy's reaction to his losses in the ongoing fighting is to target civilians hundreds of kilometers away from the battlefield. On the other hand, Tigray People Liberation Front leader Dr. Debretsion Gebremichael said that they are desperate on the war front. My interpretation is they are bombing us because they are losing on the ground and it's their reprisal. The fact that they are bombing shows they do not care about Tigrayan civilians. Debretsion Gebremichael spoke the Reuters by satellite phone from an undisclosed location. He said he did not have information on possible casualties. The two sides have been fighting a war for almost a year that has killed thousands of people and displaced more than 2 million. Sitting an eyewitnesses to the strike who run from the area immediately afterwards, a humanitarian source in Mekelle told that the strike hit the compound of a company called Mesfin Industrial Engineering PLC. The witnesses told the sources that strike caused a blast and a fire is now raging on the compound. A resident of the city also told that the strike hit the Messfun Industrial Engineering. And Tigray People Liberation Front leader Debretson said the strike did not hit the engineering complex but hit another private company's compound. But he said he had no further details. About it, many videos received. Let's watch the video, then we talk further. Viewers, fighting is going on between Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force in many places for Dessie city. According to reports, Tigray Defense Force soldiers are again moving towards Dessie by Dessie Zuria. And by Ethiopian National Defense Force, a huge number of citizens are being prepared to send them to the battlefield. Those who have not trained for war and they have very few weapons. On one side, the Tigray Defense Force soldiers move towards the Dessie. On the other hand, the Ethiopian Air Force strikes Mekelle heavily. I have already informed you in many videos that the Ethiopian National Defense Force has suffered defeat on several fronts in the Amhara and Afar region. And now Mekelle is being targeted by the Ethiopian army to prevent Tigray Defense Force from moving forward. Viewers, according to senior journalist, the federal airstrikes on Mekelle appear to be part of efforts to weaken Tigray's armed resistance, which has recently made further gains in eastern Amhara region, with fighting is also going on in some areas. Along with superior manpower, control of the skies is one of the few remaining areas of military advantage for the federal government. So viewers, so far the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.